to quick learn for easy learn. Today we are going to do exercise 6.2 of class 6 integers. Okay, so already we have uploaded many videos regarding integers. Please go through the same and after that please come back and watch this video. So question number 1, exercise 6.2. Using the number line, write the integers which is 3 more than 5. Okay, so how we have to do this? Using the number line, A part. First we have to make this number line and 3 more than 5. You know that already we told you more than means right side, that is add. So 3 more than 5. So first of all we have to make 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, minus 1, minus 2. We have dotted only up to minus 2 in the left side because we have to do addition and that is from positive to positive only. So we have to take only less number of numbers to the left of 0. So 3 more than 5. So first we have to go from 0 to 5. Okay, 0 to 5. Then more than means right side. How many numbers? 3 numbers. So from 0 to 5, then more than means go towards right, 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The answer is 8. So 3 more than 5 means 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay. Now next question. 5 more than minus 5. 5 more than minus 5. So we have to plot minus 5 up to minus 5. So this is minus 5, minus 8, minus 6, minus 7. Okay. So first we have to go to minus 5. 5 more than minus 5 means we have to go to minus 5 first. So 0 to minus 5. That 0 to minus 5. Okay. 5 more than minus 5. So first 0 to minus 5. More than means we have to move towards the right side and 5 numbers. How many numbers? 5 numbers. So 0 to minus 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what did we get? We get 0. So 5 more than minus 5 means minus 5 plus 5, that is 0. Okay. C part. 6 less than 2. 6 less than 2. So first we have to put 0, 1. Okay. Now 6 less than 2. So first of all we will go towards 2. So 0 to 2. Okay. Now from here less than means left side. Left side and how many numbers? 6. So from 2 we will go 6 times to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? Minus 4. We got minus 4. So 6 less than 2 means 2 minus 6. That is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now that's for D part. 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. So this will be minus 2, then minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. So first of all we have to go towards minus 2. 0 to minus 2. Now less than means left side, 3 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3. So we got minus 5. So 3 less than minus 2 means minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5. Okay, so we have did all the questions using number lines. Okay. Now next question. Use number line and add the following integers. Now we have did already in the number line same type of question, but that was in the statement wise and this one directly sum questions. So first question we have to do 9 plus minus 6. So in a number line, first we have to go towards 9. Okay. So from 0 here 9 and from 0 to 9 we have to go towards left side. Plus minus minus. First of all, we should understand one more thing, that if two signs are came simultaneously, then we have what we have to do. First of all, if there is 2 plus, if two signs are here, two signs are coming continuously. That means that means they are multiplying. So plus minus. If so, plus means plus. Plus minus means minus. Minus plus means minus. Minus minus means plus. If both the signs are same, we have to put the sign as plus. If both the signs are of difference, then we have to put minus. Means minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. This concept you should learn always. That should be kept in mind always. So here plus minus minus. So A part is 9 plus minus 6. That is 9 plus minus minus. That is 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6, first we have to go towards the right side. That is positive number. So 0 to 9. Then we have to go to the left side. Minus 6. So left side. So how many numbers? 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is, what is the answer? 3. Okay. First question is done using the number line. Now second question. 5 plus minus 11. Again 5 plus minus minus. Plus minus minus. So we will remove both these signs and will put the minus 11. Now 5 minus 11. So again we have to come to this side. First we have to go from 0 to 5. Now from 0 to 5. We have to go from 0 to 5. This is positive number. So 0 to 5. Now this is minus. Minus means we have to go towards left side. Minus means left side. So we have to go to the left side. How many numbers? 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got minus 6 as the answer. Okay. Now question number third part C. Minus 1 plus minus 7. Minus plus minus minus. Okay. Plus minus minus. So we have to put minus 1 minus 7. First we have to go from 0 to minus 1. 0 to minus 1. Now again minus 7. So again we have to go to the left side only. So minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. So from here onward 0 to minus 1. Then from there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is minus 8. Okay. D part. Minus 5 plus 10. So first we have to go from 0 to minus 5. That is 0 to minus 5. Now next number is plus. Plus means right. That is 10 numbers towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the number as 5. Okay. I think you are following. Understood now? Next question. E. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. That means minus 1 plus minus minus. So minus 2 plus minus minus. So minus 3. Now first we will go from 0 to minus 1. 0 to minus 1. Now from there towards left side, since minus 2, so we have to go towards left side. So from minus 1 we will go 2 times again to the left side. 1, 2. Now from here again we have to go to the left, go 3 times to the left side, 3 numbers. That is left side. Since it is minus, we have to go towards the left side only 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So we got the answer as minus 6. Answer is minus 6. Now next question. Minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. That is minus 2 plus 8 plus minus minus 4. Now what we have to do? First we have to go from 0 to minus 2. Minus 2 means left side. From 0 to 2 times 2 numbers left side. That is from 0 to minus 2. From minus 2, we have to go towards right side since it is plus number. So from minus 2, we will go right side 8 numbers. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since it is plus sign, we will go towards the right side. So plus sign. That is minus 2 plus side, we got 6. Now from there, again minus sign. Minus sign means we have to go towards left side. How many times? 4 times. That is 4 numbers. From 6, we will go towards 4 numbers to the left side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the number 2 as the answer. So we got 2 as the answer. In this way, you can calculate all these integers, add these integers using a number line. So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and support us. And we are coming with the next 3 questions in the next video. So, thank you so much. Bye.